The Universal Leadership Japan program aims to bring leaders together. Leaders who care about our people and the planet. People who want to transcend old paradigms and ways of thinking, being, and leading. Leaders who don't see world as disconnected individuals, organizations, and systems, but an interconnected whole. Leaders who want to create a positive, peaceful, and sustainable world for all. I hope you can join us at the Universal Leadership Program Japan, where we spend 4 days together engaging in workshops, various activities that transform and transcend the way we think, the way we engage with ourselves, with each other, and with our planet. This unique program is for a limited number of individual leaders who want to go beyond the traditional paradigms of leadership we've used in the past. Leadership that has not worked for our people and the planet. Leadership that has led to conflict and planetary destruction. This program is aimed at leaders who want to transform and transcend the limitations of the human mind and go beyond intelligence into the realm of the spirit and the realm of wisdom. So if you want to be a wise leader who wants to bring the best out of the people and the planet, join us today, and I look forward to seeing you in Tokyo, Japan this year. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in Tokyo, Japan.